Hey everybody, this is Philip with High Desert Community Watch. And check this out. This is the mural. This is day 4 of the mural. And they have people stopping in as the day goes by. I just got off work, so it's the first time I'm able to be here. And here you have, and these are some of the sponsors. If you became a sponsor and contributed, you get to have your name up there, which is really cool. So this is all what the video was about that we put up last week with Miss Stephanie. And you can tell everybody's happy to be out here painting, and I'm going to get painted too in a little bit. Yeah, this is so you guys can see. Say hi, Miss Stephanie.
Hi.
So I was telling everybody that this is day 4.
Day 4, yeah, we'll be done Saturday at 1 p.m. We'll have our ribbon cutting.
And it looks great, guys. And this is the first time I've seen it last night, but I've been working a lot, so I got a chance to stop by for a little bit. So you guys, please remember the links. I'll put the link again. If you guys want to donate, if you live in the community and you want to stop by and come and paint, please come by. And when it's all said and done, you'll feel some pride, just like we did with the Kaboom.
Let them know that all the ones in the bottom, the butterflies, the flowers, those were all done by little kids.
And the more intricate stuff is done by the
artist.
Yeah. So this is great. This is great. So all right, you guys. Quick update. So remember to donate. Give Miss Stephanie some love in the comments, and do something for somebody besides yourself. High Desert Community Watch.